You ready? You ready to go? Yes, good girl. Good girl. Right guys, that's us back on the road today. We're leaving this hostel, but I can't recommend it enough if you're coming to Venice. It's a great hostel, made some amazing friends there, and they were brilliant with Nala as well. So our plans now, we're going to head towards San Marino, and then we're going to just keep heading south. So you good? Let's go. So our plan now is we're going to be cycling down the east coast to San Marino. So it's basically, the map says it's flat all the way there, and then we've got a massive hill to climb to get into San Marino, which will be another country for Nala, which I do believe that means she'll be joint top with the cat who has the most countries on its passport. So let's get moving. So cycling along this wee dirt path just now, I'm just following two kingfishers along the river. I keep trying to stop, get a photo of them, but keep flying away as soon as I stop. Now I'm sound asleep. Well, you were sound asleep until I stopped. Sun's starting to come out, so just trying to keep her covered up a wee bit. But we're on this wee dirty road here. I think we've just got to keep following this until it gets flat again. That's all we can really do. Anyway, let's keep going. Let's try to get a picture of a kingfisher. I'd love to do that. So I think we're just going to stop and set up camp here, just pitch a tent up. It looks like there's cars been along this road recently, just with the marks, but yeah, we get caught, we get caught. Who cares? Right, let's set up Nala. What do you think, Nala? So I mean, it's no ideal. The sides are a wee bit bumpy, but I'm just going to put it in the corner of the road. Fingers crossed nobody drives through me in the middle of the night. So anyway, let's get the tent set up. So Nala's just at the toilet, but look at that. The sunset, absolutely gorgeous. What a camping spot. Well chuffed with it. But the water just there. It'll be cold, so I don't know if I'll go for a swim in the morning. There's a lot of parts of the river that are frozen over when I've been cycling today, so good girl. Yeah, I might avoid the swim in the morning. But if the sun is setting over there, we should get a beautiful sunrise over there to wake us up. So yeah, taking Nala a walk just now, let her do the toilet, then I'll get her fed. And then it'll be dark, so probably see you in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. Well, I have not get your bum at the camera. Well, I can't remember a time when I've been camping that I've woke up throughout the night so much because I've been cold. I was absolutely freezing last night. Just couldn't get warm at all. So I think it's now 9 o'clock in the morning. The sun is up. It's been up for about an hour, and yeah, I'm still chilled. So I'm just trying to get a wee bit warmth in me. Right, you were alright. You were under the covers, and I still couldn't get warm. Anyway, let's get up. Let's get outside. I'm gonna have some porridge this morning. Some porridge for breakfast. And then let's make a plan. Let's go. Watch out. What's happening? What's happening? Go in then. Go in then. Good girl. Wow. Wow. Good morning. Whew, see, look. The river's got ice over it. Nah, I'm not going for a swim this morning. I'm cold enough as it is. No chance. No way, Jose. Whew. What can you see, girl? What can you see? Hello. Hello. You went down there again. Oh, yes. Yes, here we go. Now we're talking. So first up, a wee chamomile tea. If I've got any tea bags left, please. Yes. Right. That's first up. Oh, it's so nice. So looking at our map, we have got a 95-mile cycle to San Marino. The good thing is it's completely flat until we get there. Then San Marino is one of the smallest countries in the world, and from what I can see, it's based on top of just one big mountain. So it's going to be pretty cool to go and see it. I think we'll stay there for maybe 1 or 2 nights, have a look about, see if there's anything to do. And it's going to take about 2 days to get there, I think. We'll be camping again tonight. I don't know if you can see now, it's just down there. Something's keeping her busy in the long grass. So just going to get this tent packed away and then start cycling. So let's go. There's not really been much to show you today. I mean, this is the landscape we're cycling in. It's just all flat, farmers' fields on both sides. Roads very straight, flat, nice to cycle on. But we've got 3 miles to cycle. It's 3:45 just now. We've got 3 miles to cycle and we hit the coastline. So I think we're going to camp on the beach. We're just going to set up a tent. Nala's been asleep all day, so it'll be nice to let her get out and have a wee run on the beach. And that's all I can really update you on, so let's cycle. There we go. I think I'm just going to camp at the other side of that river. There's a wee bridge just down here to get over. Don't want to camp at this side just while the car's going past at night time and that, so we're just going to go over there, set up tent, and look at that, what we've got. Beautiful. Right. Don't know if you can see them, but there is a lot of coypus. They're like sort of water rats. There's 2 down here. one down here. We'll see how close we can get. I don't think they'll bother me when I'm camping. Look at the size of that one. It's huge. What a beautiful places to camp in. Just watch them swim about the water. So I like this spot. Just going to go down a wee bit. Set up tent. So the plan is just put the tent down here, and then that'll be tonight's view. And it also means the sun's setting over there. I'll show you over there. So that means we should get the sun in the tent door in the morning. So it should be nice. Anyway, let's set up. There's quite a lot of nettles about the place, but who knows. There it goes, set up complete. I'm not falling for it again tonight. I'm not getting cold, so got quite a lot down the bottom. Also going to put on all my socks I've got. My gloves and an extra t-shirt. So yeah, I'm going to have a good night's sleep tonight. Stove, sleeping bag, got the bags there. I'll take them in just before night, and Nala's still asleep in the basket, so I'm going to get her out and take her a wee walk along the riverbank. Let's go. Up here we've got a coypu. Ready? Should we chase it? Go now, go now. They seem to have zero fear, so I hope we don't get disturbed by them in the night, but there's hundreds of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's the big boss, him, because he's massive. And there's more down there as well. So Nala's going to be security guard tonight. What do you say on that? Hey, you smell him? You smell him? It's a water rat. So I am not getting cold tonight. So what we're going to have a wee chamomile tea. And then just before I get in the sleeping bag, I'm going to have some raspberry porridge. Nala's all wrapped up as well. There she is. Yes, you are. Beautiful girl. So she's got her jumper on, got a wee tartan blanket, but she will probably come inside my sleeping bag with me just to, it's like a wee hot water bottle for both of us. So it's going to be a cold night, and we're just going to end this video here. So we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.